Imagine yourself in this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine cylinder deactivation, stability control, driver information system, roll stability control, airbags, front, dual, air conditioning, front, single zone, air conditioning, front, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, airbags, front, side end airbags, front, side curtain. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.